Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is how far can we go as humans, unleashing the power of our energy system. Ladies and gentlemen, our existence is part of a larger cosmic energy system where everything functions through the dynamic flow of energy. Energy is not just a concept, it is the essence that powers the universe and everything within it. From the stars in the sky to the cells in our bodies, energy drives every process, every transformation and every progression. At its core, energy is the fuel that propels all forms of life. Without it, life as we know it could not exist. In nature, energy systems, including our biological processes, are inherently progressive. Every organism is designed to generate and harness energy for survival and growth. But where does this energy come from, and how is it sustained, and how it can take us forward where we may wish to go? The answer lies within our cells. A healthy adult human body contains roughly 37.2 trillion cells, and each one generates energy continuously, ensuring we have the capacity to move, to think, and to heal. Cells are not only the fundamental building blocks of life, they are also micro universes of activity, each containing around 100 trillion atoms and producing thousands of biochemical reactions per second. These cells rely on adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the molecular unit of currency of intercellular energy transfer. Every day, the human body synthesizes its own body weight in ATP, powering everything from basic cellular maintenance to complex brain functions. Our cells take in fuel from nutrients like glucose and oxygen, which is metabolized to produce ATP through cellular respiration in the mitochondria, the powerhouses of the cell. Yet, there is another critical function occurring within cells, and that is protein synthesis, an essential process for growth, repair, and performance. DNA, the master code of life, instructs the timely production of proteins, molecules responsible for nearly all biological process in the body. This protein synthesis occurs in two stages, transcription and translation, resulting in the formation of specific proteins as needed by each cell for its designated functions. Proteins, often termed the building blocks of life, are synthesized from amino acids derived from the food we eat. Each cell's DNA contains the molecular codes or genes that dictate when, where, and how much of a specific protein is needed. The range of proteins a cell can produce depends heavily on the availability of essential amino acids in our diet. If these essential amino acids are lacking, the cell cannot produce all required proteins, even if the DNA program is present and ready to do so. This underscores the importance of a balanced diet rich in essential amino acids, as they are the raw materials for life itself. For example, without sufficient amino acids, the body might struggle to produce proteins critical for muscle repair, immune response, or cognitive function. The proteins created within the cell are transported through the intracellular and intercellular environments to the precise locations where they are needed, performing vital roles in growth, tissue repair, immune defense, and much more. This finely tuned process powers the development and performance of the entire organism, ensuring the body's systems operate according to the intricate blueprint encoded in our DNA. However, it is within the neurons of the brain and nervous system that energy and protein synthesis play a particularly critical role in shaping our thoughts, our actions, and our potential. Neurons, powered by ATP, are specialized cells that transmit electrical signals, allowing us to think, feel, and act. The human brain contains around 86 billion neurons, each capable of forming thousands of connections, creating a network that processes information and shapes our behavior. Neurons rely on the energy supplied by glucose and oxygen. Although the brain accounts for only 2% of body weight, it consumes nearly 20% of the body's energy, highlighting its enormous energy demand. This energy powers processes like neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural pathways, which allows us to adapt, learn, and recover even from injury. But this energy-driven system depends on the timely production of proteins as directed by the DNA in each neuron. Without the right proteins, neurons can't perform their essential functions, potentially leading to cognitive decline or neurodegenerative conditions like Alzheimer's or Parkinson's. Studies show that mitochondrial dysfunction in neurons can impair their energy production, further accelerating brain aging and mental decline. Thus, the path to a healthy body and mind begins at the cellular and neuronal level. When cells and neurons function at their best, producing the right proteins and generating the necessary energy, they empower us to live with vitality, clarity, and purpose. Our ability to think positively, make progressive decisions, and lead fulfilling lives hinges on maintaining this intricate energy balance. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, in the grand design of the cosmos, the energy within us holds extraordinary power. Scientific advancements have shown that health, happiness, and personal growth begin at the cellular level, especially within the neurons of our brain. By nurturing our cells and neurons with a diet rich in essential amino acids, physical activity, good body hydration level, deep nasal breathing for more oxygen inhaling, mental stimulation in the form of positive and purposeful thoughts, and proper rest, we unlock our full potential for creativity, emotional resilience, and mental clarity. Healthy cells and neurons are the engines of progress, fueling not just our bodies but our minds and our spirits. Our cells are our foundation and our neurons are our compass. By nurturing them well, we provide them fuel to generate energy and power our body systems, including our thoughts. And our thoughts can decide how far we can go as humans. We as humans have yet to test the boundaries of frontiers in our lives. Good luck, best wishes, and thank you for listening.